Hi, this is Tina Sui, your friend in real estate, buy and sell and invest in Atlanta, Georgia. Today I want to give you 3 tips if you're on budget but you want to sell your house with top dollar. Here are the 3 renovation that you can do. First is to repaint the house. If you can't repaint the whole house, try to do touch-up paint so that the wall doesn't look very dirty. The second one is you need to improve the curb appeal of your house, which include make your flower bed look nice, and also maintain your lawn, and also including power wash your driveway, power wash your sidings. Third one is if you have old carpet, if you can't get it replaced, at least get it steam cleaned and then put some plastic layer down so people don't walk on it and make it dirty during showings. So those are the 3 tips that you can do when you're on budget trying to sell a house for top dollar. But my suggestion to my buyers is once you buy a house, you want to try to budget every year to do some kind of home renovation. When you need to sell your house in the future, not everything are outdated. You can, budget to replace roof this year, budget to replace HVAC 2 years from now, budget to upgrade your kitchen or upgrade your bathroom. So this way, you can also enjoy your house when you are still living in there. So I hope this helps. If you want to find out more tips about home buying and investing, be sure to follow. I'll see you next time.